In this lesson, we're going to be learning about collapsible blocks in jQuery Mobile. Creating collapsible blocks is actually fairly simple. Here's how it works. If we want this header that says hi there to be the header of the collapsible block, and then all of the content after to be the content inside the collapsible block, all we have to do is add a div and say data role equals collapsible. Of course, we have to ensure that all of our markup is inside of that div. And if we save it, go back over here and hit refresh, now we have a collapsible content block. Now when I click on it, you'll notice it expands to show the content inside. When I click on it again, it collapses. So that's fairly simple. If we want to add more content, all we have to do is just add the content afterwards. Any HTML that's after this header is going to be inside of the collapsible block. Additionally, this header can be H1, H2, H3, all the way down to H6, but you have to ensure that it is indeed a header tag. And now we have more content. So that's how you create collapsible blocks with jQuery Mobile. Fairly simple. Here are a couple of the other options we have. If you want this collapsible block to be expanded when the page loads, just add data collapsed equals false. Now, by default, the collapsible block is expanded, and you can click to collapse it. As with a lot of other elements, we also have the opportunity to make a mini version by saying data mini equals true. Now you can see that indeed, this is a little bit smaller. We can also change the icon position by saying data icon pos equals right. And that moves the icon over to the right-hand side. Now I'm going to remove all of these customizations and cover one more thing. If you wish, you can actually put collapsible elements inside of each other. I'm just going to copy and paste here. And now we have a collapsible element inside of a collapsible element. If I save this and refresh, here's what we get. Hi there. Open that up. Here's all of our content, and there's another hi there in there. And when I click on this parent hi there, sure enough, it hides everything. And when I click again, sure enough, it shows everything. This remains expanded even if you collapse the parent element. So that concludes this lesson on collapsible blocks.